So my face is fully cleansed and I'm just going to moisturize it right now. Because when I started the eye, I really didn't moisturize my face. So I'm going to moisturize it with my Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream from Fresh. Really like it. It smells really nice. So for the eye look, right, so guys, for the eye look today, I jumped into 2 palettes that's very affordable. One of the Cine mini palettes right here, and I'm also using the I Love Sarah IE. Sarah IE, these are the shades right there. So eyebrows already done. Eyebrows already done. First thing that I'm going to do is apply a little bit of concealer up under the brow. And it's going to be my ColourPop concealer. And what I like to do is just apply like a little bit and then blend that out. And this concealer shade is like 1, maybe 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. I don't really like to go too bright up under the brow. And then I will go in with my eyeshadow base. It's from NYX. And I'll apply that on the lid using the same pencil. And I'll just blend it all out. I'm going to go in and I'm going to set this with a translucent setting powder, or just with my setting powder. I'm using, what am I using today, guys? I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me right here. It's going to be in the shade Medium Deep 30. And I just tap my brush in, or I normally use what's in the cap. And I'll just set that. First shade that I went in with this eye was out of the Sarah I Love Sarah Dose of Color collab, and I went in with Wanderlust, not Wanderlust. I went in with Poquito Mas, and I went in with that as my transition shade. And I just went and just started applying it like in circular motions, because the shade is really pigmented, so no worries. And this is my first time trying a smoky eye. God, let it be the glory. Because we don't know. If this does not come out right, you will just never see this video. Okay? So now that's on, I went into my Cine Mini palette and I went into that brown shade right there. And I started building that like into my crease. I just didn't want to like add the black and had like no transition from like the black to this brick transition shade. So like I couldn't see myself like just doing that. This is like a clean brush with no product on it. We're just gonna like take this and like blend out these edges a little bit. And maybe apply a little bit of more of this shade from here. Maybe apply a little bit. I'm about to have company, guys, so I might have to do like a little voiceover for some parts of this if it gets like a little too loud. I didn't know I was having company, but I welcome it. So I'm just letting you guys know. Okay, I think I'm okay with this in life. I think it's time to just let it go, Liz, and just do it. I think it's time to let it go. I'm gonna wipe off my lid a little bit, and just the lid part. And you can do this with a Q-tip or whatever you have near you. I'm like a daredevil, so like I welcome this type stuff. Now I'm not doing a black base. I'm just going to go in with a lighter concealer. It's going to be my C11 from Makeup Revolution. And I'm going to set it, and then I'm going to go in with the next shade. Now what I will do is start patting on Loungy. Is that the shade color? It's going to be this black shade right there. Let me swatch it for you guys. It has like little flecks of like glitter in it. And I'm not using a black base. I'm just going to see how my favorite primer does. So that is an option. You can use a black base like a gel eyeliner or eyeliner, whatever you have. So just going to start packing it on. I feel like it's getting like a little bit patchy, but I'm going to keep packing it on. I don't know. I don't feel like I'm doing anything different. Definitely a little bit patchy, but I'm going to try to fix that. This is definitely giving me a problem. So being as though this is giving me a problem now, I'm going to go into like my glitter glue. I'm going to apply that lightly on the areas, and then I'm going to apply that color again. And if you use the black base, you wouldn't even see that. You'll see black, so it'll be better. But I didn't use the black base. But we're going to see how this glitter glue works out. And I don't want to take it up too high because it's going to be blending up in that crease. So let's see. Oh, that looks really good. I didn't use any glitter glue on this eye. It just went on like this. Sorry guys, the rest of the video won't have to be a voiceover because my neighbors are having like a fiesta or something outside. I don't know. So these are the eyes. I think I like it. It's different. I gotta just finish my whole face. But yeah, I think I like it. Stop judging me. Let me figure this out. Stop. I'm going to apply my foundation and my primer. And I think I'm going to use the same primer and stuff that I used the other day. Yes, I'm going to go in with my Smashbox and my Becca. This doesn't work for me on its own like that. But I felt like with this mixed in, it worked. And I like that it leaves like this white. What did you do? Alizioso. What did you do? Did I have something on my hand? I have to wipe my whole face off. Do I have to wipe my eyes off? Lord Jesus Savior. Let me look at my eyes. Should I just cut this off and go eat Oreos? Did I touch something? What did I touch? Alright. Let it go. Let it go, fat butt. Let it go. Shit happens. Wipe your face off, moisturize, and move back on with life. The voiceover starting now. Hey guys, so we're going to get that skin prepped and ready for some foundation. And we're just going to rub it in like so. And then we're going to go in with some Maybelline matte and poreless foundation in the shade 350, I think. So we're going to highlight and contour here And y'all seen this a million times, so we're just going to like speed past that. We're going to blend out that under eye highlight and, well, concealer, and just to brighten up them spaces right there. And then we're going to blend out, well, then we're going to set using our Maybelline setting powder. And we're just going to set the areas we concealed. And then we're going to just blend out that contour shade after that. And we're going to set that and get rid of that under eye powder. My ColourPop bronzer, we're going to use that to set my contour, bronze up the skin a little bit more. Y'all know what it is. We're going to get them cheeks and that forehead. Bring some color back into the world. Go ahead. Do it. Add a little bit more. So now that we're finished bronzing up, we're just going to set our whole face here. And then we're going to go back to the eyes. And we're just going to complete our eyes with the shades, the brown shade and the brick shade that we use for our crease and our transition shade. We're going to throw in a little bit of mascara. I love this mascara from It's Cosmetics. I got it in a BoxyCharm. We're going to put on these Lily lashes. They was from a sample sale. Some blush from NARS to give us some color. That Maybelline highlight, which is bomb. If you don't have that Maybelline highlighter, they're really good quality and inexpensive. And yes, we're using the same blush brush. Yes, we are. And we're going to add that same highlighter for our brow highlight. Because why not? Because why not? We're going to go in with a brown lip pencil. It's from NYX. And we're going to sculpt out our lips. And then I think we're going to jump into a new lip. It's going to be from Milani Cosmetics, one of my favorite, called Naked, I think. Oh, God, I hope. And then we're going to throw on a lip gloss. And we're going to use Max Spice just to top it off, guys. Yes. Who doesn't love a new lip, guys? First, Smokey Eye, guys. We're going to set this face. We're going to set it and we're going to forget it. Yes. Let that dry a little bit. And then, bam. Yes. Give them the side look. Wait a minute. Do the side look. Give them, yes. I see. Oh, yes. Look at that side look. Yes. I love this look. I love the foundation. Guys, I love how this eye look came out. Guys, thank you guys for watching that tutorial. Please subscribe to the channel and like or comment. I like these two palettes together, guys. I will see you guys on the next video.